cosine. So if they're giving you a triangle, they're giving you these lengths right here. And we know the tangent is what?
Sine over cosine.
Y over x or sine over cosine. So for this problem, they're giving you sine and they're giving you cosine and they're asking you for tangent. Good? Okay, this is the one we had trouble with on the first test. You do, okay, let me make up something. Let's say you have 1 over the secant of, I don't know, some angle, plus sine squared of some other angle. Okay, some other angle. You're not going to add those angles. You can't do anything with this until first you got to figure out what this is using reciprocals. You have to make the angles the same. Then you can add those expressions or those terms together. Yes? Okay. Do not add the angles. For number 7, it asks you to evaluate the trig function. So you need to know what the reciprocal function is. Figure out what that is using the unit circle, and then flip it and possibly rationalize the denominator. Yeah? Okay, number 8. I'm going to show this on a video. Wait, no, I have to move this. Okay, the only thing that I think is tricky about this question is it's asking choose the best graph. If you're looking at the period here, if I start at the 0 point and do 1 full period, it's past pi. The period is not pi. Because if you start at the 0 point and you go low, 0, high, and back to 0, it's past pi. Pi is 3.14, so this period is approximately 4. Yeah? Mm-hmm. That's all I need to tell you, I think, for that. Okay. We're almost done. Okay, how do you find the period of a function if you're given a function? How do you find the period?
2 pi divided by the x.
2 pi divided by b, and where is b in the equation?
In front of x.
In front of x. Do you ever divide by a fraction?
No.
You do what instead?
Multiply by the reciprocal.
What is the amplitude of the tangent function? How do you find the amplitude of a tangent function? It's different than sine and cosine. I'll draw one with an amplitude of like 3, okay? So here, the parent function has an amplitude of 1. So it'd be over 1 plus 1. So it would look like this, okay? If I wanted to draw a tangent function with a amplitude of 3, it would look like this. Over 1 up, 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot, that's terrible. Good?
Yes.
Okay, this is also one we had issues with on the first test. If you, I'm just gonna make something up. Oh my gosh, I better not get chalk on this. My daughter will literally murder me. Like, she's like, are you sure it's gonna be fine in school? I'm like, it'll be fine, like, it'll be fine. Okay, 3 sine of something plus cosine of something, some other thing. Okay. These are on the unit circle. So you're going to find the value of this using the unit circle, multiply it by 3, find the value of this using the unit circle, and then add them together. And there's only one right answer. So you just type it in the box. Good?
What about like the 2 is equal to sine?
So this is a number, and that number is being multiplied by 3.
What do you mean value? Like the degree?
Yeah, so let's say if it was like, let's say it was pi over 4. You would find what this value is using the unit circle,
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Never
and
mind.
then you would multiply it by 3.
Like in radians? Or like the degree? Like
On the unit
Like, you
circle,
know those pairs that you have?
there are points.
so
The
like
ordered,
the
and there's an
period
ordered pair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the, like this one would be root 2 over 2.
And then
root
you
2 over
multiply
2.
that by 3.
Sorry?
You multiply that by 3.
Right.
Okay.
Good?
So
All right.
we're not just multiplying 45 by 3?
Are you talking about the measure of the angle? No, you're finding this is a number. It's, so the sine of pi over 4 is this y value.
Okay.
So that would, this would equal root 2 over 2. Then you would multiply root 2 over 2 by 3.
Got it.
And then you figure out what that one is, and it's a number, and then you just add them together.
Okay.
All right. That's all, folks. Peace out.